Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, HPE Linux. Please subscribe and like our channel if you want to see something new from us and every update from us. Now, this is you guys. We're going to explain to you how to use this tool over here. Okay, this one. This is the virtual keyboard inside the HPE Proliant server in the remote console in the iLO integrated lights out software. That's an embedded software inside your HPE server. Okay, so this helps us in sending the control and the alt key along with other keys. Like you need to press, for example, to copy some text, maybe Control C to cut some text, you press Control X to paste some text, you say Control V. So Control is not like just by directly clicking, pressing the Control and it will work. Okay, it does not. So this piece here, okay, will help us. Okay, this here will help us to send the control along with the other keys. Okay, so in order to do the keyboard shortcut combination. Okay, now this is how we do it. Okay, first of all, okay, let's imagine that I want to open the shell and say I want to use the pico command in order to open a file, a new file, and write in it something. Okay, anything. And then I want to save it. So to save it along with in Pico, okay, this editor, you have to press this hat here is not really the character hat, is actually the control key. So anything here, Control G, Control X, Control O, Control R, Control W, Control. Okay. So if I try to press Control X like this directly, it won't work. Okay. Yes, look at me. See. The keyboard, so I'm gonna hold the keyboard and show you. See, once I press the Control and X right on, okay, so it's gonna write only an X. Okay, so it doesn't work. So the only way is by pressing and opening the menu for those keys, and you have to get your key directly. Once you press to move the mouse, okay, it has to hover on. Okay, and for example, I want to use the control. So first of all, I press the Control and X and then press the Control key. Okay, again I'll say yeah. So again, for example, I want to say Control C for cancel. I don't want to save, I don't want to quit at the same time. Okay, so I press the menu, go to the control, I press Control X and press with the mouse the control. Okay, I press Control X, it should be Control C. And but notice, because of the delay, you might have sometimes some delay like that. So it's not always the preferred way to control your system. It's better to use SSH sometimes to access the system. Okay, not always graphics would work for you. Okay, so this is how you use it. Cool. Again, let me give you another shot. Okay, so let's say I wanted to copy this. Okay, now instead of right clicking and copying, which is much easier, I think, so you'll have to, let's try our luck with it. Because I have to press Control and Shift and C. So this is it. Move the mouse. Okay, the Shift already works, so it does not need any does not need the virtual keyboard. So Control Shift and C and then Control. Okay, and let's see if it pasted it. Yeah, it pasted it. So it's really hard to do it this way. Okay. Anyway. So I hope that you learned something new from us. Okay, please subscribe and like our channel and distribute this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.